Welcome on this emergency video, and in this video I am going to do technical analysis of Bitcoin, and I am going to tell you what are the next target for the Bitcoin in this dump. So please watch carefully and please subscribe this channel if you are new, and then please subscribe please hit the bell icon. Let's dive into the content. Bitcoin is currently at $36,970. Here is a big support zone for the Bitcoin is at $34,850. Bitcoin have to hit this, and after that Bitcoin should have to move towards upside. If Bitcoin break this support line, in that case maybe Bitcoin price can go down to $27,500. That is the worst scenario, but maybe this can happen. Because Bitcoin is in this descending broadening wedge, and this is major support zone for the Bitcoin is at $34,500 level. Once Bitcoin hit this, Bitcoin have to pull back after hitting this. If Bitcoin break this if Bitcoin pull back from that zone, in that case it have to in that case our target will be $42,000. Technically this is a bearish pattern, but it ends with a pullback, and I think so if this happen, maybe 45,000 will be our next target. But if Bitcoin fails to hold this $34,800 level, in that case maybe price can go down to hit this zone again, $29,000 or maybe $27,000, $27,650 level maybe. And if Bitcoin break this zone, in that case this will be the most unlikely scenario, but according to the technical analysis, maybe it can go down to 19,000. Yes friends, maybe it can go down to 19,000, but it will take time. I don't think so it have to go from that kind of level. It have to move towards upside after hitting $34,700, I think so. But if Bitcoin breaks this zone, if Bitcoin break this horizontal support which is $34,800 level, in that case our next hope and next big support is at $29,800 or $28,800. And if Bitcoin break this zone, this downtrend line, in that case maybe it can go down to hit this zone, 19,000. But to be very realistic, this is not going to happen. I don't think so Bitcoin can go that kind of lower price. I don't think so. EMA ribbon is at 40,984, and that is the strong resistance for the Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin have to break this. Bitcoin should have to close $45,000 with 4 hourly candle closing for uptrend, I think so, because of this EMA ribbon. And let me please show you the volume. There is very much big selling volume. Here you can see very much big selling volume. That is not a good sign. There is a very much panic in this market, and most of the people are thinking that this bull run is over, and that is why they are selling their Bitcoin and altcoins. But this is not gonna happen. Bitcoin will have to move towards upside and will have to hit again $70,000. Again 65,000 and then 75,000. 75,000 is my target. Bitcoin have to hit this target within 2 or 3 months. Bitcoin have to hit this. But currently things are not positive for the Bitcoin, and things are negative. Let me please show you my other indicator, which is VPBR. Here you can see there is no volume. Towers are very small and there is no volume. That is the meaning that maybe Bitcoin can go further down, because there are no trades and there is no volume. Volume towers are very small of this BPBR. That is why maybe price of the Bitcoin can hit this zone, $27,000. In worst case, Bitcoin can hit $27,000. That is last target, last bearish target. Last bearish target for the Bitcoin is $27,000. Bitcoin, in any condition, if Bitcoin hit $27,000, in that case, this will be the last support, and after hitting that, Bitcoin have to move towards upside, and definitely it have to. Otherwise, bull trend will over. That is my opinion. If Bitcoin lose $27,000, in that case, 18,000 or maybe 19,000 is coming. But I think that is not going to happen. Maybe Bitcoin is going to retest $28,000 or $27,000. These are last bearish targets and last major support for the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin break $28,000 with 4 hourly candle closing, in that case, maybe Bitcoin can go to 20,000 in that case. But currently I am very positive. I think that Bitcoin, after hitting 34,000, Bitcoin have to move towards upside, and I think so it can. Thanks for the watching, and please keep supporting me. And if you want to trade this on Binance Exchange, or if you want to buy this on Binance Exchange, in that case, please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange, and you can also find here the link of KuCoin Exchange where you can get the low price, low cap gems for 10x, 20x, maybe 50x profit. These both exchanges are very good, and if you want to open your account on Binance and KuCoin, these are the links. Thanks for the watching. Take care.